Hey everyone, welcome back to Ottoex, channel where we got some weird, wacky, and wild, unusual, rare, unique cars. We sell them, sometimes we don't, but we do like presenting all of them, as many as we can, on YouTube. This one in front of me is a 1994 Toyota Camry V30. This is an SV35. What does that mean? That means it's full-time, four-wheel drive. This one is optioned in a 5-speed. It has 125,000 kilometers, so that's about 70-ish thousand miles or so. We are listing it for sale, so that's cool because these are super rare. They're super practical. This is a rather elegant body style of the Camry that I find to be more along the lines of an LS400 Lexus, and many similar design methodologies were put in place when they were designing these in the late 80s, early 90s. So pretty simple, 4-door sedan. You guys have seen them. This one does have differences. Full-time 4-wheel drive, there's badging there. This is a 2.0 ZX, which means it's the 3S FE engine. So that's the same engine that was used in the earlier gen Camrys in North America, the same engine that was used in the first gen RAV4s. It's a super stout, reliable 2-liter gas-powered 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine. So this guy's powered by that with a 5-speed. Let's take a look inside. It's right-hand drive because this is a Japanese domestic model. This configuration of Camry was only ever offered in Japan, which is cool. This one presents really nicely, so I'm going to go through some of the interior, exterior, some of the details in this video for any prospective buyers, and just to document this for any of you car nuts on YouTube and out there in the world. Glove box. We've got carpets, which are very clean, really comfy, sturdy upholstery on the seats. It's kind of a nice, heavy durability, low wear fabric, and yeah. You've got your shift lever in the center. Why don't we just hop around? I'll show you the back real quick. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, actually power folding mirrors. It's a 5-seater. There's also a little armrest for the rear passengers. Another cool feature is this does have fully folding both sides, and you can actually lock it so no one can get in through your trunk or vice versa. So you can secure things in the back if you wish. Both sides do that, that side, this side, 50-50 fold down. Rear pockets, if I step in, spacious, comfortable, lots of room, lots of headroom. Rear ashtray. This has a lumbar adjust on the driver's side, which is cool. Looking up at the front. Very tidy rig. These are impossible to find. I think this is the second one we found in 8 years of doing this. Maybe the last, who knows? They're hard to find, and that's why I'm excited. Although a lot of our vehicles make me excited. Okay. So, yes. Driver's side. Let's hop in the driver's seat. I'll show you some of the controls. We'll start it up. All 4 windows power, window lock, door lock, basic Toyota stuff. This seat has a little bit more adjustability than the North American model, so this is like your tilt, which is cool, and this is your rear tilt. Kind of neat. All right, sliding in, sliding back. Mirror controls. Left, right, adjustable, and then also power folding, which all works really well when the car's on. Climate controls, it's kind of an auto feature, so you set your temperature in Celsius, set it and forget it, hit auto. Kind of neat. AC, economy AC, AM/FM tape deck, original Toyota stuff. Got a little ashtray, another storage cubby, and then cups here, cigarette lighter, all that fun stuff. Japanese toll card reader. Doesn't apply here, but it's there because it's cool. And some people like to have that memento. So yeah, 5-speed, pretty simple. Little driver. This thing just is fun to drive in the 5. So we'll fire it up. And a little hot outside, so we turn that air on. Okay, there it goes. There's the toll reader telling me I don't have a toll card. That's fine. These are nice. Clip this one in. Cool. Pretty simple stuff, but neat and slightly different than what we are all used to here in America. So, let's go for a ride. Windows. Auto down on the driver. Mirrors. Press that button. They both retract. Press that button again. They both pop out. Very cool. Do a little drive. It drives really nice. The seat's so comfortable. I mean, it's just that 90s Camry that we all know and love, with a few little extra spices thrown in because of the fact that Japanese Toyota's got a little bit more options than we did here. You know, plush, comfy, quiet. Suspension is nice. It soaks up all the bumps. The seats are nice. They soak up all your weight and kind of hug you just right. The white one we had, I think we have a YouTube video on that a few years ago. I personally love that car. And this one is the same, but 2 years newer and in a more unique color. So, if anyone's been on the lookout for one of these, hope you find this video or are listing in time, and it's finally here. We've been patiently waiting for another one of these. More like I've been patiently waiting. But it puts down some nice power. It's definitely doesn't feel underpowered at all. Rows through all the gears real nice. Steers, tracks, nice straight down the road. And the brakes work as they should. Again, as with all of our vehicles, we try our best to make them ready to go for all of our customers. If something doesn't check out, we get it corrected. And we also spend a lot of our time sourcing vehicles that do check out. So they're good to go. Many times when we get them into possession, sometimes they need a few little things here and there. But by no means do we like projects. We don't mess with anything that's been in an accident, has had major repairs, engine in, engine out, or rust issues. But that said, everything we sell generally is old. In the Japanese case, at least 25 years old. And we always like to remind people, these are old vehicles. They're from the 90s, Toyota, so many say this may be the golden age of Toyota vehicles. I don't know. I'll leave that to you to be the judge of. But we love them, and they tend to last and certainly go the distance. A lot of other folks seem to think so too. So this thing just kind of scoots merrily along down the road. Shifting is easy, steering is easy. Everything is pretty easy about this car. It's comfortable. It'll get you up the mountain during a snowstorm thanks to that sweet, sweet all-track, full-time four-wheel drive system that North American Camrys never saw but this one has it because it's from Japan, and they got cool stuff like that. So it's really just a pleasure to drive. It's ready to go to its new home. If you like it, or you're looking for something like this, or maybe a wagon variant, or maybe a Corolla variant, we have a variety of stuff coming in now or in the next few weeks and months. And so please reach out if this one is either no longer available or doesn't quite tickle your fancy as much as something else may. Either way, just give us a call, shoot us an email. That's the best way to get a hold of us. As always, we appreciate all your comments. We read all of them. Always love feedback, insight about these vehicles. If you know something that we don't, share it with us. These things were sold around the world, and there's certainly all sorts of nicks, knacks, and quirks to them, depending on where you live and what you got. And we're always curious to learn more about them. And maybe, did your Camry get four-wheel drive in your country? I don't know. But let us know. Leave a comment. Drop a line. We love it. And if you are enjoying these videos and my endless rambling, well, you can leave us a like, subscribe, or hit the bell. If you don't, and I annoy you, well, that's fine too. But we love doing what we do. And hopefully some of you folks out there enjoy these videos and the vehicles we bring to you all here in North America and around the world, because we do ship worldwide, nationwide. So yeah. I think that about sums up this really quick and short video, because there's not much to this car. It's simple, stout, reliable, and ready to roll. So thanks for watching on this one, guys, and stay tuned for more. We've got many more interesting vehicles coming up. Land Cruisers, Hiluxes, four-wheel drive Camrys, Corollas, four-wheel drive Toyota vans of all shapes and sizes. That's the kind of stuff we love. We get a few neat RVs and campers in as well each year. So check us out, reach out, say hi, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching again.